Man heard a strange noise under his driveway, but what he found changed his life forever. Simon Marks had just moved into a new house in Luton, England. It was a great deal, and he didn't ask why the old owner wanted to sell so fast. On his first night, as he lay in bed, he heard a strange sound, like gravel scraping against metal. It seemed to come from outside, but when he checked the window, everything looked normal. The next day, he checked the front yard and spotted the exact location of the sound. He decided to dig. After several hours of digging, a circular metal hatch appeared. He opened it, and it led to a long tunnel. Simon hesitated, but curiosity got the better of him. He walked for 2 hours through the tunnel. It felt like a maze. At the end, the tunnel opened into a wide area, but what Simon saw there was truly astonishing. Click the like button and comment "tunnel" for part 2.